What you see here is an architect's rendition of a fixture they'd like Crenshaw to manufacture. This fixture has basic dimensions laid out. It has the overall structure with a few detailed notes that indicate the level of quality this fixture should represent. This document is used by Crenshaw to create a quote. Our designers review this architect's drawing for all key features and details. They estimate what these costs might be and provide a quote to the client. Upon further approval, a finer concept drawing may be created. In this case, it is a hand-rendered concept. From this concept, and with the architect's revisions, we create a three-dimensional CAD model. Once approved, we move into production, and the high level of quality is apparent. This is another example of a fixture that Crenshaw Lighting has produced. The architect came to us with their vision of what they wished to see hanging in their space. There are sketch details and several dimensions used for our reference. Crenshaw's designers used this to create a quote based upon the articulate castings, machine components, the custom glass, suspension, and all the various elements of construction. The details for this fixture became more refined by Crenshaw designers. Another hand rendering was created to show to the client what our intent was. This drawing was further refined with the architect to be in line with their vision. To make this a reality, we 3D modeled this in our SolidWorks program to get the final details before full production. This includes the cast components, the glass components, the sheet metal, and internal lighting construction, all of which go to our vendors and fabricators. This is an example of a cast component that was created from these drawings. It is in a pre-finished state before final production. This piece rests on two other castings, one of which is not present for this video. But you can see the high detail we have in these brass components. In addition to the castings, we have an example of our custom blown glass. This piece is from a similar pendant, only smaller. It is also part of this beautiful family of light fixtures. Once again, we have gone from the architect's concept to a refined hand drawing by Crenshaw designers, and lastly, we bring it to life. As we have just seen from the paper drawings, we pay attention to high-detailed rosebud castings like this fixture head, machined gas cocks, fabricated tube arms, and we have a central hub that's fabricated from machined pyramids and forged bar stock. There are more details in this rosebud arm back. These are very unique, and they secure the fixture head to the hub. This fixture was just from moments ago. We have high-level lost wax cast brass components with fine details. It has a satin pattern with an oil-rubbed bronze patina. This fluted glass is hand-blown. There is a multi-layer metal trim and another hand-blown glass detail at the bottom. The bottom is retained with a spun metal base and a machined finial.